So, you finally made it to the big leagues of credit cards. You're no longer looking for cards that give you 1% cash back on laundry detergent. Nope, now you want airport lounges, travel perks, and points that practically teleport you to first class. But there's just one question standing in your way. Should you go with the American Express Platinum card or the Capital One Venture X? At first glance, both of these cards seem to check all the luxury boxes. Travel rewards, lounge access, flashy perks, they've got it all. But the moment you look a little bit closer, the differences between them start to stand out in a very big way. So in this video, we're diving into a head-to-head matchup between two top-tier travel cards, the American Express Platinum and the Capital One Venture X. And if you like credit card breakdowns that get straight to what matters, go ahead and subscribe. This is exactly the kind of content you'll want more of. So let's get the financial elephant in the room out the way. The American Express Platinum card has a $695 annual fee, and yes, you heard that right. And while it doesn't come with the spec of Platinum, it does come with one of the most extensive benefits packages in the game, but we'll get to that in a moment. Meanwhile, the Capital One Venture X enters with a $395 annual fee. Still a chunk of change, but not quite I need a financial planner territory. But hey, fees aren't always a bad thing. They're kind of like the cover charge to get into a cool venue. But the question we have to ask is, what are you getting for your money? Let's start with rewards, because if you're paying hundreds of dollars just to hold these cards, you better believe you're getting something back for it. With the Amex Platinum, you'll earn 5 points per dollar on flights booked directly with airlines or through American Express Travel, up to $500,000 per calendar year, and 5 points per dollar on prepaid hotels booked through Amex Travel. Everything else earns just 1 point per dollar, so this card isn't really designed to be your everyday grocery or gas swipe. It's more of a laser-focused luxury card with higher returns on travel spending, especially when you book through their portal. Shifting over to the Venture X. When it comes to rewards, this card is engineered to be straightforward and generous. You receive 10x miles on hotels and rental cars booked through Capital One Travel, and 5x miles on flights and vacation rentals through the same portal. Everything else you charge to the card, your dinner, your groceries, streaming subscriptions, will yield you 2x miles. That flat rate on all purchases made outside of the portal makes everyday spending a powerful engine for rewards, and no mental math is required. That simplicity is a feature, not a flaw. You won't have to memorize rotating categories or jump through hoops to maximize your points. If you use it, you earn it, period. And since miles never expire and there are no blackout dates, your earned rewards remain valuable. Next up, we have perks and credits. With the Amex Platinum, you'll get a wide range of credits that can add up fast if you use it strategically. There's a $200 airline incidental credit that you get each year for one selected eligible airline, which can be applied to things like baggage fees and in-flight purchases. You also get $200 in Uber Cash annually. This is dolled out as $15 per month plus an additional $20 bonus in December. The card also gives you access to $240 in digital entertainment credits, broken up into $20 per month, which can be used for services like Disney+, Hulu, ESPN+, Peacock, The New York Times, and more. If you're into fitness, there's a $300 credit for Equinox memberships. Walmart shoppers can tap into the $155 Walmart Plus membership credit, which again is a monthly statement credit, and there's even a $100 Saks Fifth Avenue credit. You get $50 available in the first half of the year and another $50 in the second half of the year. If you're keeping track, the value you get from this card easily outweighs the annual fee, but only if you actually take advantage of all the perks. And remember, you have to opt into most of these credits, so this isn't a set it and forget it kind of card. It's one that pays off when you have a strategy. Without one, you're basically leaving money on the table. If you want more tips on how to actually use cards like this to your advantage, make sure to subscribe. This channel is all about helping you get every dollar's worth. Now, over to the Venture X, where things are nice and simple when it comes to perks and credits. This card offers a $300 annual travel credit to use on bookings made via Capital One Travel. Want to fly somewhere? Book it through Capital One. Need a rental car? Capital One again. This card alone would slash your net cost to just $95 for some serious perks. There's more. Cardholders can access a complimentary subscription to Prior, a lifestyle program offering travel perks and destination guides valued around $149. And you can opt into a 50% discount on the Cultivist membership, which will get you into more than 60 museums around the world. Now here's where both these cards truly shine. Let's talk about lounge access. The Amex Platinum gives you access to over 1,400 airport lounges worldwide through the American Express Global Lounge Collection. That includes Centurion Lounges, which are basically the VIP clubs of airport lounges, complete with chef-inspired food, full-service bars, and much more. You can also enroll in a Priority Pass Select membership, which gives you access to its own network of lounges. Plus, your Amex Platinum gets you into certain airline-specific lounges if you are flying with them. Long story short, if there's a lounge in your terminal, there's a good chance this card gets you in. And while we're on the topic of airport benefits, the card also includes a $199 Clear Plus credit. Clear helps you speed through security using biometric scans. You can pair this with TSA PreCheck or your global entry reimbursement. This is available as an $85 statement credit once every 4.5 years for TSA PreCheck, or a $120 statement credit every 4 years for global entry. With these, you'll be breezing through checkpoints in no time. Over in the Capital One corner, you can also get that first class feeling in a number of lounges. The Venture X grants access to Capital One lounges and offers enrollment into Priority Pass, which boasts more than 1,300 lounges in its program. Currently, Capital One has a few flagship lounges in Dallas, Fort Worth, Denver, and Washington Dulles. They've been praised for their comfortable ambiance, their high-quality food offerings, and modern design. If you travel regularly, skipping airport chaos and recharging in a peaceful lounge is a total game changer, making this card a real contender for frequent flyers. The Venture X also offers a statement credit of up to $120 for either TSA PreCheck or global entry every 4 years, so you can get past security fast and right into one of those lounges. Now, let's talk about redemption, starting with the Amex Platinum. You can redeem your membership reward points for a variety of things like statement credits, gift cards, shopping, or travel. But let's be clear, the best value is typically through the airline transfer partners. Amex has quite a few travel partners, and the list currently includes Delta, Virgin Atlantic Flying Club, British Airways, and much more. If you're into points hacking and luxury travel redemptions, you could potentially find a great transfer that would turn your welcome bonus and earn points into international first-class flights that would normally retail for thousands of dollars. When it comes to redemption, the Venture X also gives you choices. You can use your points for gift cards, online shopping, or towards exclusive events. Or you can redeem your points directly through Capital One Travel at 1 cent per mile, or transfer to a number of airline or hotel partners that could give you more value. Finally, if you're the kind of traveler who wants peace of mind, both cards have your back, but in slightly different ways. The Amex Platinum offers solid protections like trip delay coverage and baggage insurance, plus there's also options for rental car insurance, but you'll definitely want to read the fine print on that one. The Venture X keeps it simple again. You get access to rental car insurance, trip cancellation, trip interruption, and lost luggage coverage. Not to mention, Venture X has primary rental car insurance, meaning it kicks in first. That is a big deal. Amex insurance is secondary. So who wins this battle? If you're a luxury traveler who enjoys prestige, thrives on maximizing credits, and loves the idea of Centurion lounges and Michelin-style traveling hacks, the Amex Platinum is your card. But if you want great value, straightforward perks, and double the points on everything, the Capital One Venture X might just be the new king in your wallet. So which card are you going with? Team Amex Platinum or Team Venture X? Let me know in the comments. Smash that like button if you want more card comparisons, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a chance to make your wallet work smarter and not harder. Until next time, travel well.